So that's what we are going to make. So the first thing what we are going to put into the blender, ginger. All right, yeah. Excellent. Second thing, we're going to put some cucumber. All right. Excellent. I'm using half of a cucumber. All right. So right there, that's the cucumber. So this is something where you can drink in the morning. Honestly, I love this one first thing in the morning. So we're going to get green apple. Alright, so we're going to be using one medium-sized green apple. Just like that. Alright, yeah. So that's the green apple. Lovely. We're going to be using lime. You can use lemon. And we're going to put one medium-sized lime into it. Excellent. All right, so that is done with. So let's put some water into it. For about a cup of water. Excellent. And put on that lid. All right. And then what you want to do, blend this. Okay, guys, that's the way it look. So we're going to make a little bit of a noise. Excellent. Then simple. Pour it out to a strainer like that. All right. Yeah. And this is what we're talking about. This still, you can have this, guys, but you'd have to fine chop it more. But this is very important. But at least 10% is right here. Okay? Yeah. And that's the way the juice looks so far. Now, let's put this one side. Okay. cup. Excellent. All right, so that's the juice which we have made this morning. Now, if you're looking for something very healthy and delicious in the morning, then this is what you can have. Early morning drink. Okay? Yes, good vibes. So if you like this kind of recipe, you know exactly what to do, guys. Leave your comments and tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. All right? Sometime I go with a beautiful juice like this. Sometime no. Sometime it works, sometime no. Okay? All right. Good vibes.